Alright everybody, before I get into anything, I want to tell you I greatly appreciate you tuning in to my channel. I'm BJ from the 478 and this is episode 2 of this Chevelle project I got going on. I'm at my new shop, OCD Audio LLC in Centerville, Georgia, and I'm still at Sound Source in Macon, Georgia as well. I'm just here, different projects, better things, bigger things. So let's see some of the difference that I went ahead and did under the hood. I went ahead and cleaned up. There was some miscellaneous wires under here. I put a new battery in it and just cleaned up all this good stuff, made new grounds. I have 2 runs of 4-gauge OFC VFL wire running through the vehicle, going to each amplifier. I'm not doing distribution blocks. So I also have upgraded the alternator wire as well, just to make sure we get the proper voltage from this battery. So I got a couple of tips on putting these seats back in, and I'm gonna give you a peek of that, and I'll just show you some of the techniques that I use when putting new carpet kits in, and you know, make it easier on you, especially having to cut those holes out. So give me 1 second, we're gonna get into that. In the trunk, as you can see in my time lapse, I did shoot some of that to where I showed you how I made this. And this is just cardboard, you know, some of the toolboxes I brought into the shop and miscellaneous cardboard. You can put that stuff to use, and as you can see, I traced out everything in the trunk and made my own carpet kit and resprayed everything with a satin black, to where you get, you know, you don't get a glare from it, but also you just get a nice clean look. Amplifiers in the back. Let me get a light. Got a VFL ST 500.4 back there, and also a SCAR 1200.1D on 2 SCAR 10s. So it wasn't a custom build, it was just a lot of stuff needed to be addressed in this vehicle. Also I had put the custom kick panels in there, and let me show you this. Now I am running the Hertz component set, and so those kick panels, if you've seen the first video, they are made by this company called the Shop LLC, and they make them for various models of these vehicles and a couple of other ones. So that houses a 6.5, and the pod goes up in the back side, and then I decided to mount the actual Hertz tweeters in the lower kick panels. That way I'm not cutting up anything else. Also, I am running a Pioneer head unit, and what I did was that that actual cigarette lighter, it was rusted into the plastic and it just would not come out. And so what I did was I went ahead and put a Type C and a USB phone charger in here, as well as the USB port to actually plug directly into the radio, and they also illuminate too. So that is an awesome radio. They're harder and harder to find, but man, those older Pioneers, you can't beat it. So let me show you this right quick. And so in order to get these holes to where I started them here, let me show you exactly what you need. I use a torch, and you can take just one of your old screwdrivers, whatever you got laying around. Not gonna want to use your good stuff, but You can reuse this thing over and over, but get it nice and hot. Like I said, on this episode, what I ended up doing, I don't know if you caught part one, but just check it out. I stripped everything down. I ran all the wires, dynamited everything to the frame, to the bottom of the car, adjacent, power wire on one side, RCA's on another. And I put new carpet kits in there, got the radio and all that good stuff hardwired in, and fixed a lot of wires under the hood. So if you like what you see, you gotta stay tuned to a lot of my other videos. You gotta like and subscribe. I'm at my new shop, OCD Audio LLC. I'm in Warner Robins. Well, this is actually Centerville. I am still at Sound Source, so I'll be here periodically, but you can still reach out to me, and I am at Sound Source on my day-to-day job. So, like I said, if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe to my channel. Give me a like, give me a, you know what I'm saying? Give me a thumbs up if you got it in your heart. But if you have any questions about this build, you got any questions on, hey, BJ, how can I contract you to do something for me? All you have to do is reach out to me. You can DM me, you can leave me a message. I am also on Instagram under BJ from the 478 as well. You can reach out to me, you can DM me on that. But like I said, I appreciate you tuning in, and thank you so much. Till next time.